it, but it's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
I do. It's a great gift guide.
It is, actually.
That's so festive.
It's amazing. It is so festive. And I was thinking to myself earlier, it's really early. And then I looked at the date and I'm like, it's not that early.
I thought the same. It's coming. It's coming because we have some weeks off too. But okay, ready?
Okay.
First up.
Wait. First.
Oh, yeah.
First, unofficial game. I don't know how we're going to keep score. Somebody keep score. You have to guess of the team who put which gift item into the deck. All right.
It's going to be
Does that
work?
work?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So the first item here, Flipper Zero, great device if you're a chaos monkey, like to cause harm. Lets you clone anything RFID, anything Bluetooth. It's a lot of fun.
Oh,
The Flipper Zero's fun.
it's already tied. They think it's me.
Oh,
I think
okay.
I'm a chaos monkey. Interesting.
maybe.
Wait, but let's tell them what it does, though.
Well, yeah, you clone anything RFID, anything Bluetooth. You can grab some key fobs, including stuff to your cars. It's fun.
It's not sketchy at all.
No,
It's totally not sketchy at all.
no.
Okay, next up. Who doesn't love a drone? $200.
I was shocked at the price tag.
I know,
Shocked.
right?
For the price, I think that's a good buy.
Well, that's a good brand.
And it has a
It's
camera
not-
on it. That's not just like
It does.
flying around.
I think we looked up. I think Drew, you said something like it doesn't have a remote control, but it's like an app. So you pair an app and then you give it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can give it commands and just set it on your hand and say, circle me or follow me.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's cool.
Cool. What do we have next?
Oh, I think this one has every connection. I think every IT person should have this on their work keys. So you're not running. How many times are you running back and forth to your desk like, I got to get a dongle. This person has this connection on their laptop. I think this is awesome.
Well, I mean,
Look
I have
how
a Mac,
compact it
so
is.
that's just a fact of life.
That's true.
It comes
Yeah.
in white.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, does it come in white? That's how I know it'll work.
Yeah. Josh only wants the white one.
Okay, this one I think is a great gift idea. This is someone who's actually been in the trenches because how many times have you held a flashlight in your mouth or you've propped your phone up somewhere
Oh my gosh.
and you're just like, I can't see?
You're crouched down in the server rack. Like, where does I can't see
And
what I'm doing.
rechargeable for $14.
Also,
good deal.
doubles as a Halloween costume.
Oh.
Star Trek.
Oh, yeah.
Jordy
Star
Trek.
Laporte.
Yeah, beam me up, Scotty.
These are my contributions to your gift list.
Here's one other thing about this one that is really
Yeah.
pretty cool because if you've had other, head visor things or lights, you have to fiddle around with these buttons. This has a sensor on the side, so you just wave your hand and it will turn on. Wave
That's
it again,
cool.
turns off.
It also probably provides some pretty cool security cam footage when it doesn't work and you just see a person doing this.
Yeah. Is anyone else singing clap on, clap off? 'Cause
Yeah,
I am.
pretty
I don't
much.
know.
Every time.
Just-
You gotta
okay,
clap your
perfect.
forehead. This is a Ubiquity product.
Okay.
So it just looks like a switch, except for the power for the switch can either come from USB-C or PoE. So like an upstream switch
Switch to switch.
can power this.
That's
Okay.
cool.
Like
Right.
that.
So if you need it, you need it. You're in a warehouse somewhere long, you don't have power.
$49 too.
Yeah, for $49.
Okay.
The fun thing about this
Mhm.
is you have to find them when they're in stock, and they tend to sell out like crazy.
It's a good thing we're doing it so early then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Lawn Roomba.
That was fast.
That was really fast. Good job, you guys.
Very expensive. Don't recommend.
This is the one.
This is the one I
really-
might recommend, though.
Yeah,
That's-
it's an actual lawn Roomba. Look at this.
Amazing. Amazing.
It really is
I
a
kinda want it.
robot. I know. I mean, it is kind of expensive, but you just set it and it mows your grass.
Incredible.
I kind of want it.
What if you have a hill?
It'll do it.
Huh.
You're going to test what incline does it fall over?
Yeah.
That is not that much more expensive than my riding lawnmower, and it does it itself.
Mhm.
Actually, there's no bag, but
Yeah.
still.
Everybody needs a power pack.
Yes.
Everybody
everyone
needs
does.
one.
I can't believe
this
those are now
is
$30.
I don't think there's any specific specs on milliamp or charge rate or whatever, but it's $30. How bad?
It's a great
Yeah,
deal.
that's a
Yeah.
good stocking stuffer for
Yeah.
everybody. All right, I love this one.
It's-
It'll attach right to the back of your phone or any device, but it's an AI voice transcriber. And how is it any different? Because it's tiny and it is AI powered, so you just hit that button and it will transcribe anything that's happening. So
for $150, you too can look like Kevin McAllister.
yeah, your phone already does it, but it has more capabilities than what your phone does. And it's also, I would never do it for anything nefarious, but you could
You could.
if you wanted.
Yeah. This last tool is the NetTool IO Pro 2. And what it is you connect it to some downstream, to a switch port. It has a companion app, and it will tell you everything about that is coming to the device on that port. So it could be everything from VLANs to broadcast addresses, to NTP servers, anything that you can just get by plugging it in. And then the added little benefit of this is if you are authenticated, you're using this for good and not for evil, then you can also program if this and that, and run commands back towards the switch that you're connected to, right? So if you've got something like, hey, I connected this port, it's on the wrong VLAN, I can click a button and it'll go change the switch configuration.
That is cool.
So we talked about NetIO before, and I said,
Oh,
sorry,
these
hi.
are new.
These are new.
Guys,
and I
you can
remember
add that.
I was saying, why would I do this instead of my really expensive Fluke? And you're like, well, it's a third of the price.
Yeah.
Or less.
And the Fluke can't do any configuration back. It can tell you stuff.
But you need credentials, right? So let's not freak everybody
Well,
out.
yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this?
I mean, I guess there's a price
Oh
for
my
everything.
gosh. Drew. Amazing.
There's
Oh,
a price for everything.
They're double-sided. You have Tara on one side, Josh on the other.
So in the middle of the night, you're like, I can't look at her face anymore. Let's turn it over. And there's
So
Josh.
weird. That's so
Genius. Who
Gifts
doesn't
for
want,
IT people. That's what they want. They told me.
who doesn't want
The
that?
people have spoken. This is what they want.
I'm
Okay.
afraid.
As you should be.
I'm afraid.
Okay, enough about that.
All right.
And we're buying them in bulk. So,
Enough about that.
Thanks for watching this segment from PDQ Live. If you like this, you'll love the full show. Check it out every Thursday at 10 a.m. Mountain. Oh, and like and subscribe, please.